It's gonna be great. You see that okay? Our watermelon smashing area. Let's go give Streeter from Kickin' Country's morning show a heck of a little surprise. Hey Streeter, will you take this?
What's going on here?
Oh gosh, those things are heavy. Give you hernia melons is what they should call them. I need your assistance outside with something.
Well, a little bit concerned.
You're not wearing proper footwear. I guess we'll have to make do. Streeter, make me a promise you won't try and hit yourself.
I'm gonna try not to hit myself.
Just don't hit the tent over your head.
Get it all over everything.
Next question.
That did kind of feel good.
Hungry?
It doesn't look. I think that's an old watermelon, Jay.
Well, we did wait a little
while.
while.
A discount on that thing.
We did wait a little while.
Oh, that's the worst. Oh.